divide your ponytail into two, a left and a right, and tie them together by crossing your right section over your left, and this will create a hole, and then flip your left section up and pull it all the way through nice and tight. Now try to keep your knot right against your head and then create a second knot, again by crossing your right section over your left. Now hold all of your bun tightly against your head with your right hand and slide your elastic over your entire bun. Once secure, clip it up out of the way and then tightly secure your lower ponytail just below your top one. Now the fun part, unclip your top section and create a hole above your elastics, and then flip your ponytail up and pull it all the way through that hole to create a topsy tail. Grab onto your lower ponytail and pull it all the way through that hole. Alright, one section off, secure your section with a small hair elastic. Alright, next, about 4 fingers down from your previous hair elastic, you're supposed to secure another one. Now we're going to turn this section into a topsy tail, so use your index fingers and thumbs to make a big hole above your elastic and just flip your ponytail up and pull it all the way through. And then starting at the bottom, you just want to pinch and pull in your twists to fan them out, give them some volume. Alright, if you have long hair, you could definitely do another twist.
Mistakes when you blow the flame. You're kind of obsessive to me. You're kind of too strong on your feet. I can't say that I guarantee, but I know what you mean to me. I know, for real. Just let me be. Just let me be. You've been talking about patience, hoping for everlasting. You're known for talking crazy. I know it's in